Have you guys heard about SheetAI app? SheetAI app is a web-based platform that automates repetitive tasks and enhances productivity within spreadsheets. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze and optimize data, saving users time and improving accuracy. With SheetAI app, users can create custom macros, perform complex calculations, and visualize data with ease. Benefits of SheetAI app. Time savings. With SheetAI app, users can automate repetitive tasks, reducing the time required for manual data entry and manipulation. Improved accuracy. By using machine learning algorithms, SheetAI app can identify and correct errors within data sets, leading to more accurate results. Customizable workflows. SheetAI app allows users to create custom macros and scripts, enabling them to streamline their specific workflow and increase productivity. Powerful data analysis. SheetAI app offers powerful data analysis features, including predictive modeling and data visualization, to help users make more informed decisions. Easy collaboration. SheetAI app makes it easy to collaborate with others on a shared spreadsheet, enabling real-time updates and comments. SheetAI app is an essential tool for anyone who works with spreadsheets regularly. By automating repetitive tasks, enhancing accuracy, and providing powerful data analysis features, SheetAI app can help users save time, increase productivity, and make more informed decisions.